So I'm here with the 2016 M3, about to go give it a try. So that's the M4. It sounds pretty cool. It's pretty loud. It got a good sound. Feels pretty fast. Feels almost as fast, say, a much more powerful car like the GT3. The back end brake loose a little bit when you step on it, even going straight, which is kind of it's controlled slide. It's pretty fun and exciting, so I like it. It felt a lot faster than the M3 that I have, so maybe it's a little bit too much for a beginner's car, but we have to really try it out and drive hard on the track to see if it really is. But all in all, I think the M4 is a very fun car to have, to drive. It feels fun inside, and it sounds pretty loud outside, I think, but it sounds loud inside. I think they pump in some engine sound into the cabin, but it really makes you feel like your heart is pumping and you got some power under your feet, and it drives pretty hard. So all in all, I think it's a very exciting car to be driving around, and I can't wait until trying it on the track. All right, that was pretty cool. I can see how fun this car can be on the track. What do you think? Maybe we should get it.